everybody. Well, this is an achievement assembly with a difference. You can't be together, but we wanted to find out how you are. We wanted to send a little bit of message to you all because we miss you very, very much. I wanted to mark the end of this Easter holiday with a celebration assembly like we might have come back to if we were in school, but it's going to be a bit of a difference because it's going to be achievements of the staff. So it's the summer term, a very different summer term than any of us have experienced before. We hope you're enjoying a good balance of time with your family, maybe being creative, doing the work your teachers have set you, tidying out your rooms that your mums have been nagging you about for a long time. You've got plenty of time to do all the things that you normally don't have time for. So we hope you're enjoying that side of things. Today, your teachers are going to begin sending you again activities to do every day, and they'll be on the school website. You can find out how to do them or ask them questions on Dojo, and you can also send them examples of the things you've done, which they've very much enjoyed receiving so far. The teachers and TAs have all been very busy. Lots of them have been preparing the work for you, which takes a long time, but they've also been homeschooling their own children, or in my case, I've got 2 teenagers. Trying to motivate them to get out of bed when they haven't got school is quite a challenge. But some are doing much more than that as well. They are helping out in their local communities. We've got some amazing stories of the hard work that your staff have been doing. Some are learning new skills, playing instruments, gardening, being artistic, decorating and baking. I've been doing lots of work for school, but I've also set myself some challenges. Dusted off the old clarinet, trying to play it a bit better. I'm not getting on too well so far, I have to say. Don't stop practicing because it really makes a difference. My mouth will from this. I've always wanted to learn Latin, so I've downloaded a brilliant app called Duolingo, and I'm doing free little Latin quizzes. So, here's my dog, come for a little sit. This is Olive. Hi Olive. And I've been sketching a little bit, mostly trying to sketch the dogs because they look very sweet, and I've decorated my bedroom, and I've been experimenting with cooking, much to my family's delight. So, the next bit of the presentation you're going to see is some lovely pictures that the teachers have all sent to me. Now, they haven't all seen each other's pictures yet. We have got a WhatsApp group where we've all been keeping in touch with each other because we miss each other just like we miss you. So I hope you enjoy seeing your teachers and TAs faces. They're not all featured, but I know some of you have been having a great time doing Zoom sessions with your teachers, so you've seen each other a little bit more as well. But just want to say, you know, some of them, the stories have blown me away, the things they've been doing to cheer up or help in their communities. So here is the Teachers' Celebration Assembly. Now at the end of worship I would usually choose 3 of you to come up and finish with a prayer. Obviously I can't do that today, so I'm going to do it for you. So if you want to join with me, you can. If not, you can just listen. These sentiments reflect, I think, everybody, regardless of faith or no faith. Dear God, you taught us to love our neighbour and to care for those in need, as if we were caring for you. And in this time of anxiety, give us strength to comfort the fearful, to tend the sick, to assure the isolated of our love for them. In Jesus' name, Amen. I hope to see you soon. I shall be in school on Friday for looking after the key workers. There's different staff in every day helping to support your families who need to go to work in this difficult time if both of your parents are key workers. So massive thank you to all the teachers, TAs and volunteers that are coming in to help at school, and to all of you who are care workers and all the different jobs that are keeping the country going at the moment. So a huge thank you for everyone. Bye for now.